How's it going, guys? And today I'm going to be talking to you about two of, in my opinion, the best editing softwares that you can use that are free and that have no watermark, just no bullshit. Video editors that are actually free that you can actually use if you don't want to pay fucking $600 or whatever it is a lot of these people charge. The two best video editors that exist, in my opinion, so I have two. I want to show you two. The first one is much more beginner friendly, but it's primitive and it's a little bit more shitty. But if you really don't need to do anything complicated, if you just want to do jump cuts, little trims, little edits, this is beyond perfect. And the second one is much more complicated. It's also beginner friendly, but its skill ceiling is very high. So, the second one I still use, and so it's amazing. Second one is like just perfect, but the first one I'm going to show you is a software called Shotcut. So Shotcut is, first of all, when you look up free video editing softwares, there's a lot of weird ass competition. Like Filmora, Wondershare.net has the sponsored first thing and it pretends like it's Shotcut. This is not Shotcut. This is Filmora being a predatory prick. Filmora sucks donkey dick because it actually has a watermark and it doesn't tell you until you're done editing. Never work with them. Holy fuck, they're bad. But if you actually find shotcut.org, you can download it here. It is free. I'm not gonna lie, it does look a bit sketchy, the website, with this big red click to download button. It seems a bit sketchy, but it's fully good. I've used this. This was the second editor that I ever used. The first editor that I ever used was a website called WeVideo. That my school hooked us up with a premium thing for like some weird class that I used. And anyways, this is what the first one I used after that. So let's just name this project something random. It's actually been a long time since I've used this, but the things that it does are good. So let me just quickly plop in some random footage. So I believe once you plop it in, you have to drag it down. Oh no, I think it's already dragged down. Right. So for this one, you can see at the bottom the audio waves. I think I was watching a YouTube video while I was playing Minecraft or something. So to do a jump cut or a split, you click S. And then you can click delete and then drag this and then boom. So I'm gonna make video tutorials on Shotcut at some point. It's actually very, very simple. And there's people who've already made videos on this. And I will continue to make some as the time goes on. Generally speaking, the filters tab at the top is like the main, what you want to be using. I forgot about this. This is how you turn up the volume. I thought I crashed it for a second. Let's see, a bit like if we turn up to 10 decibels, that's pretty high. Yeah, it's kind of high. Well, yeah, so that's, very primitive. I'm going to go into this on separate videos, but yes. The second one we have for you is something that is much better, and it's what I use. It's called Davinci Resolve 18. So currently we're on the 18th one. I started using it in DaVinci Resolve 17. 17 was actually amazing. But once you go to their website, it's pretty straightforward, I believe. If you want to download it, it's literally just scroll down for 2 seconds and you download it. You can buy the studio. It's $300. I don't know I think that's American bucks. That's a lot of fucking money. So yeah, the free download you can get for Mac, Windows, or Linux. It's gonna make you fill out like a little thing. I don't know if you actually have to. Yeah, you do. You have to fill out a few things, which is a little bit weird, but obviously this is a trusted company, so it kind of implies that you're a business, I think. It's like what business do you have or something. But once you put that information in, it downloads. It's very simple. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. Obviously, these are all the projects that I'm working on. And so I have literally my entire channel is dedicated to nothing but videos on DaVinci Resolve. So if you're new to my channel, which I'm going to assume most of you watching this are, drop a sub with notifications on, or just simply go back and watch the catalog as you see fit, because pretty much anything that you could possibly need an explanation on, I already have, or I will make a video on. So yeah, DaVinci is my recommended one, as it is still beginner friendly, but the complexity of things you can do just goes up as you get better, and there isn't really a ceiling for the complexity of what you can do, whereas Shotcut, there kind of is. You kind of once you get to a certain level of skill, you're kind of limited by the fact that you're using shortcut, which I was limited by the fact that I was using shortcut way back when I was using it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hopefully this helps you out in some minor way. And I'll see you all next time. Peace out.